I will give you the Arabian glow you have always dreamed of. No chemicals, no salon treatments, just pure, rare, earth-grown magic. From the royal Hammam bath to the golden milk toner, we are doing it all. If your skin doesn't start reflecting light like glass by day 7, you can come back and dislike this video. But if you're ready for the best skin of your life, let's begin. Day 1 and 2, the Deep Detox. First thing in the morning, drink a glass of saffron and cardamom water. Saffron purifies the blood, and cardamom flushes out toxins. Now, it's time for cleansing, and I am going to show you something truly special. Forget your chemical face washes. In the deserts of East Africa and Arabia, women have used one magic leaf for centuries to keep their skin clear. This is Qasil Powder. It comes from the gob tree. It is not a soap, but when you mix it with a little water, it creates a natural, gentle foam. Most cleansers today have chemicals that strip away your natural oils, but Qasil is different. It is 100% soap-free. It goes deep into your pores, pulls out all the dirt and pollution, but leaves your skin feeling soft and hydrated. How to use it for the Arabian glow? Take half a teaspoon of Qasil powder, mix it with 2 spoons of water, or rose water. Rub your hands together until you see a light foam. Massage it on your face for 1 minute and wash off. Benefits: 1. Stops acne and pimples. 2. Fades dark spots. 3. Gentle exfoliation. 4. Tightens pores. If you can't find Qasil, you can use gram flour mixed with a little neem powder as an easy home alternative. 2. The Camel Milk Glow Toner. It contains high lactic acid to dissolve dead skin cells instantly. If you can't find camel milk, use goat milk. Day 3 and 4, intense hydration and aromatherapy. In the desert, hydration is everything. We aren't just drinking water, we are eating it. Arab women apply these rare masks for healthy and glowing skin, which is date and sidr honey paste. How to make it: mash 2 soaked dates with 1 teaspoon of organic honey. Dates are rich in vitamin C and E, which give an immediate plump look to the face. Burn oud or bakor while doing your skincare, because bakor lowering your stress levels prevents breakouts and dullness. Day 5, the Hammam, the royal bath. Now moving to the next rare remedy, which Arabian scrub. You don't need a fancy Moroccan spa to get Arabian skin. Many people think you need expensive Moroccan black soap or a special Qasid glove for a hammam. You don't. We can make a DIY Arabian scrub that gives the same royal glow. You need these things: the DIY Arabian scrub. Instead of buying expensive soaps, mix these 3 things in a bowl: 2 spoons of sea salt, or regular salt, this removes dead skin. 1 spoon of argan oil or olive oil or coconut oil. This makes skin soft. Crushed dried rose petals. This gives a natural pinkish glow and a beautiful smell. How to do it? Step 1. The steam. Take a warm shower or use a bowl of hot water to give your face and body some steam. Why? The steam opens your pores and softens the dirt so it can come out easily. Step 2. The massage. Circular motion. Take your rose scrub and rub it on your damp skin. Use round, circular motions, gentle circles, with your fingers. Don't scrub too hard. Let the oil soak into your skin while the salt cleans the pores. Step 3. The cold lock. Final rinse. Wash everything off with very cold water. Why? Cold water shuts the pores back up. This locks the moisture and the glow inside your skin. Day 6. The collagen boost. Next rare ingredient is Luban, frankincense resin. Take 2 to 3 small pieces of Luban resin and soak them in water overnight. In the morning, the water will be ready. Now, take this water and apply it on your face using a cotton pad, or you can also use it as a face spray. This helps to make your skin fresh, glowing, and healthy. The benefit: it is known as natural Botox in the Middle East because it tightens the skin and fades scars. The last rare remedy, night oil. Apply prickly pear seed oil. It is the rarest oil in the world and contains 3x more vitamin E than argan oil. You should apply it to 3 main areas for the best results. Under the eyes. It is famous for removing dark circles and puffiness. On fine lines/wrinkles, apply it around your mouth or forehead to tighten the skin. All over the face. If your skin looks dull or tired, use it as a night serum. Leave it on overnight. Your skin repairs itself while you sleep, and this oil helps it heal faster. Don't use too much. Just 2 drops of prickly pear seed oil are enough. Gently tap it under your eyes and on your face before you go to sleep. Apply 3 to 4 months for better results. If you cannot find prickly pear seed oil, don't worry. You can use these 2 easy alternatives that also give an amazing Arabian glow. Number 1 Sweet Almond Oil. Number 2 Rosehip Oil. Day 7, the final transformation and diet. The Glow Diet, eat the Arabian Trio, pomegranates, figs, and walnuts. These are high in omega-3 and ellagic acid, which brighten skin from the inside. Before we reach the end of our 7-day challenge, we must talk about your lips. In Arabia, soft, rosy pink lips are a sign of true health. Most lip balms today have chemicals that actually make your lips darker over time. But this Ruby Glow Scrub is 100% natural and works instantly. The ingredients: what you need: 1 spoon of sugar, its tiny crystals gently scrub away all the dry, dead skin. Half a spoon of organic honey. Honey is a moisture magnet. It makes your lips feel like silk. Apply it to your lips and massage in gentle circles for exactly 1 minute. After scrubbing, don't wash it off immediately. Let it sit on your lips for 2 more minutes. Benefits: the sugar removes the roughness, the honey hydrates deep inside. Next, the Desert Gold Lip Mask, the Midnight Healer. If you have very dry, cracked, or dark lips, this Desert Gold Mask is your miracle. This remedy has been used in the Arabian deserts for centuries to protect skin from the hot sun and dry wind. The process: the proper method: take a small spoon of clarified butter, ghee, and warm it slightly, just a little bit, not hot. Drop 1 or 2 strands of saffron into the warm clarified butter, ghee. Wait for 5 minutes until the clarified butter turns into a beautiful golden oil. Apply this golden oil to your lips every night before you go to sleep. Benefits: clarified butter is the best natural moisturizer in the world. Saffron helps to lighten dark lips and makes them look healthy and plump. When you wake up the next morning, your lips will feel incredibly soft and look glowing. This 7-day journey is about respecting your skin. And that is it. We have completed our 7-day Arabian Glow journey together. Now, I have a small request for you. Go to the mirror right now, look at your beautiful face, and smile. Before you leave, comment below, which day was your favorite? Day 5, the Hammam, or Day 6, the natural Botox? I want to know. Like this video, if you found these rare remedies helpful. It helps my channel reach more people like you. Subscribe and hit the bell icon, because this was just the beginning. I will give you more videos like this with full of remedies. Thank you so much for spending your precious minutes with me. Take care of yourself, stay natural, and as always, stay glowing.